Ever pondered the potential risks of clicking on your own ads? How it could disrupt your ad revenue stream? Well, it's a concern worth considering. You see, self-clicking on ads or engaging with them from multiple IDs can pause your ad revenue. It's a practice frowned upon in the digital world. It's not just about ethical implications, but also about the negative impact it has on your revenue. So think twice before you click on that ad of yours. Now let's talk about Stripe, the platform that handles your payments. If you want your earnings to reach you without any hiccups, providing complete tax and bank information is crucial. Start by browsing to the Stripe dashboard. From there, select Settings, and then Bank Accounts and Scheduling. Add your bank account details. Next, navigate to the Tax Details section. Here, fill out the necessary information based on your location and the nature of your business. Remember, the more accurate the information, the smoother the process. But what about your online privacy? Virtual private networks, or VPNs, are commonly used to safeguard it. However, you need to tread carefully here. Excessive or inappropriate VPN usage can lead to account blocks or even spam designations. So keep your VPN usage in check to avoid any unnecessary disruptions. And finally, let's not forget about the importance of staying within the boundaries of Twitter's policies. Sharing links or engaging in activities that violate these can lead to account suspension. So play by the rules. It's the best way to keep your account safe and your monetization efforts stable. In essence, keep your clicks legitimate, your Stripe information complete, your VPN usage appropriate, and your Twitter activities compliant. Follow these guidelines, and you're on your way to a steady stream of ad revenue. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about doing it right.